back. And this is a very, very interesting night. It is an extremely interesting night. So, yeah, let's see what happens. And since there are so many things happening in crypto now, which is getting confusing, our format is to bring you the best crypto news first. So let's start here with the usual suspect, Bitcoin. Okay, again, Bitcoin did very well during the weekend. And when it does well during the weekend, it doesn't do well thereafter. So look at that. We did do well during the weekend. See that? Broke that. But this is the problem now. It did not break that previous high. But you still have a sequence here of higher lows, which is good. Okay. But the fact that it didn't break that is not good, because if you go back and see this chart of this what is this, Wyckoff distribution, right? No, Wyckoff accumulation, right? Yeah, it is supposed to go higher. Okay, so the fact that it did not break that is concern, because it is kind of doing this kind of thing here now, which is not good. Okay, so let's, yeah, it's kind of doing that. It kind of went there, and then went then, and then it's doing that. That is not good. So what in the world is happening to Bitcoin? So let's see here, and we also want to know what in the world is happening to altcoins, because you know, if things do recover, then altcoins will recover very, very quickly. So Bitcoin is down, we know that. Okay, Ethereum is down, but here, this is key. Bitcoin dominance is also down 43.4. And if you look at this, last 7 days, look at that. Bitcoin is down 2.8%. And the rest of the altcoins, oh, look at the rest of the altcoins. They are seriously performing much better than Bitcoin. So that kind of, yeah, that kind of, how do you say it? That kind of allays the impact, you know. It's still not good, but hey, I'd rather take that. Okay, I'd rather take that and look at what is happening now. Yeah, look at that. The altcoins are performing better than Bitcoin. This is good. This is very, very good. So what is bugging Bitcoin now? That's the other thing we must ask here. What in the world is bugging Bitcoin? So let's look at Alex Mashinsky. He is from Celsius. Now, Celsius is a DeFi coin. Unbank yourself. Again, anything related to DeFi, anything related to bank and unbank is basically DeFi. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So let's look at what he is saying. So, and this is quite an impressive coin, because your all-time high is $8 and it's now like $7. Like you didn't fall, because this has a real use case, right? Look at that. Earn 8.88% on USDT. 850k users earn 8.88% on USDT. Can you be surprised? So the token is good, but look what he says again. GBTC discount. You see what happens is this: in July they told you this, about 20 billion worth of Bitcoin is going to be unlocked. So this is what happens. They bought in December, right? They bought in December 6 months ago, at least January here. Let's see here. Yeah, say they bought here. But when they bought here at maybe around here, like 24, can anyone calculate what's 24 times 40%? Because they bought at 40% more. So they kind of bought at 24 with what's 50, 35. They bought somewhere here. Okay, because there is a premium on the grayscale at that time. There's like a 40% premium. So they're not making money if they sell, you know. So let's see if they sell or not. That is the question. Do they sell that? Okay. Yeah, go bin, right? Are they going to sell it? This is the big question. Now, what does Machinsky say? Yeah, so he says he's done a very good calculation. Let's go down here. This is actually good. I don't have to do any more calculations. So someone figured out the GBTC ARB, and he's just selling this. And what is he saying here? I think this is very important here. Yeah. So there's 20 billion up for sale, right? That means they can get out. But as Gobian said, that they're like the same today, right? 33.6, the same, the same, the same. It's the same price, because they bought at 40% more. So and now the premium has gone down, right? Which is not good. So what he's saying is at least 5 billion will have to be unwind of GBTC, which is grayscale Bitcoin, which may take BTC prices back to the 29K. After this July sell-off, we should see smooth sailing for the rest of the year as we break new all-time highs on our way to 140 to 160K. So if you want to know, you've seen this all over the news, Alex Mashinsky did say that, he expects Bitcoin to go 140 to 160. The problem is everyone is carrying it as is he says only this. Yes, he said only this. We understand, but before that, he said that because of the unwinding. But let's see how it goes. That's what we have to tell you, okay? That's a very important fact that people somehow forget to include, which is not good, okay? So let's see what's in the news today. Just wanted to tell you that so that you are aware of what is going on. Okay, that is Safe Earth, an example of charity coin. The deadline for the price target mid-July to end of July, because they won't sell at one go. But if you talk about deadline for 140, 160, end of the year, Bitcoin is traditionally bullish, right? Around Christmas, around there, somewhere around there. So bigger mining difficulty drop. Well, stable coin growth could affect credit markets. Yeah, this is true, because that's why I like USDC. Wyoming legally recognizes first decentralized autonomous organization in the US. And this also has another stable coin. Aave, okay, I talked to you about the weekend that Compound is going into institution, and look at that. So is Aave. Philippine. Whoa, are you serious? This is cool. I kind of saw that, but didn't see that coming. Stock Exchange wants to launch local crypto markets first. Interesting. Let's talk about, because we're going to talk about the Philippines afterwards, okay? If you guys know what's been going on in Twitter here, where was this thing on Twitter? I kind of read that on Twitter, because actually, a lot of the Bitcoin mining is actually on clean energy. Yeah, that 56% of Bitcoin mining uses sustainable energy. And now that China has been taken out of the equation, I think this is going to grow even more, right? So that's kind of cool. So let's go here to CoinDesk. What's happening? CBDC is coming. That's cool. Japan is also going to CBDC. USDC, Bitcoin supply held by whale entities hits 2-month high in bullish sign. That's kind of good. USDC on Tron blockchain. See, people are using USDC because it's associated with Circle, and also Coinbase has a share in that, so people feel safe because Coinbase is a exchange that likes to follow the regulations. New report places United States at the top of the crypto-ready countries. I do agree. I think USA is leading this charge, not Asia like last time. Last time I felt a lot of things coming out from Asia. Now I feel this is USA. Job report, yes, shows gain. That is good. As long as this is not good. I don't like today, because BTC is going down. While is the S&P holding up? I saw it at 4334 just now. Yeah, I don't like this 4353, or did I get it wrong? I don't like this, I don't like this. This going up and this going down is not good, because when this goes down, I think this will go down also. This one, yeah, this one will go down also. Yeah, Bitcoin will go down also. So that's kind of not good, okay, because this is keeping the markets up. What if this flips over? This is another issue that we have not talked about, but I think that is always in the back of my mind, right? So again, what else? Ransomware strikes again. Yeah, everyone's using Bitcoin. So again, investors cashing out of grayscale Bitcoin trust might bring market boost. Yes, they might, as long as they don't sell. And what else do we have here? Yeah, that's it. That's kind of it for the news that we have today. Nothing really interesting, but you can see now that The numbers for Ethereum, you saw Ethereum going up fast, like that 14% in the space of 2 weeks, which is kind of cool. But look at this. Ethereum supply on exchange ratio sees major drop, matches lowest exchange percent in 30 months. Now, when the numbers in the exchanges are low, it means that people are not selling. They're taking it out of their external wallet. Okay, they're keeping in their external wallet. They are not selling. That is really, really bullish. So you see that on sentiment here. Okay, so it's good because this is a bullish sign, and I think this is because of what? You guys should know this, right? You guys should know this. This is because people are very confident that London hard fork will actually happen. And this is very, very good. That means there is a lot of confidence in Ethereum to actually execute the London hard fork. What else? What do you see for Bitcoin? Okay, clean energy. Well, that's good. Clean energy. So this is what this guy says. Plan B is the one that has this stock to flow ratio. So there are two cases. He says 64K will be the top. We will oscillate between 25 and 50K. Possible. A lot of people are expecting an oscillation before we break out in the year. Possible too. Or was 60K not the top and the bull market will resume towards S2F 100K to 288K? I think Mashinsky's target of 140 and 160 is more reasonable. I won't be surprised if we top out at even 85K. Okay, so that is what I can say here. So let's go on. Do we have other piece of interesting news? Oh, okay. This is another interesting news. Now, here it is. Now, here is the thing tonight that I want to talk about other things, and I want to talk about where crypto is really going into your lives. Okay, crypto is really going to be part of your lives, and that's what I said. You must know wallets, right? In order for this, you must know wallets. And we're going to follow up. I told you we're going to follow up, right? You must know wallets. You must know staking, which is keeping your crypto and earning an interest. It can be USDC, USDT. It can be other cryptos. It is really up to you. Because going in life, you are going to be able to spend the crypto. I know, guys, crypto is here to stay. I'm going to show you some examples, and I am going to show you how I am going to take advantage about this. Now, there's a relationship here that the Philippine Stock Exchange is going to recognize crypto and going to introduce crypto. I think that is super cool. But before that, if you were here and if you were here, privacy swap, we stake this, right? We kind of stake this, right? So if you're here during privacy swap, you see this. Yeah, so I have staked my privacy swap here, and that's how much I got, 0.32. How much is that? How much is it now? $15, right? 0.328. So I think can you guys remember that? 0.328. So that we can remember, right? Please remember this so that I just want to see at the end of the show what is it. So remember that those returns are in terms of privacy swap. So if the privacy swap bottoms now and goes up, of course, I'll be more happier. And let's see this. Yeah, let's follow this for every show so that you guys will understand what it's all about. So you want to get some privacy swap for yourself. There it is down there. Yeah, bit.ly ATW_privacy. Let me type it down here first, okay? So this is something good. Now, what I want to talk to you about is travel, because everyone likes to travel. Let's hear this. Everyone likes to travel. Everyone knows, everyone knows this is Travala. So beginning from now, just like now, today, I will not use Agoda anymore. Okay, sorry, Agoda, that's it. You're not my friend anymore because I want to use something related to crypto, okay? Because I am a crypto man. I want to live my life with crypto because there's so much opportunity to live my life with cryptos. Now, let's see, refresh here. This is in Bali, right? This is in Bali. Here I am in Bali, Pullman, Bali, Legian Beach. Where is that? Where is that? I don't know where that is, right? Can somebody help me? Wallet class, you're going to have to ask from this. Yeah, you're going to have to ask from James on that, for the recording on that. Yeah, but please come to all the wallets class. There is going to be variation, guys. I don't know what's going to be hot next. If Cardano is hot next, definitely we will have to go into a Cardano wallet. As of now, if you ask me what I'm going to teach in the next wallets class, the best answer I can give you, and those in crypto know this is the best answer, is I don't know. Really, guys, that is the best answer, because I really don't know. Because if I know, we might miss whatever is hot 1 month from now, okay? So in YouTube, you can see that also, ATW5C. But anyway, look at this. This is the price, this is the price, this is the price. And look at this, more importantly, as we go down here and as we press book now, this is cheap, you know. I just don't know how cheap this is. Look here, complete, look here. I can pay with WeChat Pay, crypto.com. You guys are familiar with this, right? You can pay with crypto.com pay. You guys have crypto.com app here. You just slide in and make sure you get the QR code and pay. You can pay with Binance Pay. So you can use your gains in Binance to get it. And you can also use crypto to pay. This is why you have wallets. This is why you need to have wallets. This is why you guys that missed this wallets class will need to come to the next one. And the next one, we have it on the first Sunday of every month. That's what we're planning to do until the end of the year. But next year, it will change for the first 2 months, because, you know, the first Sunday is your New Year and your Chinese New Year. And we can't do that. Look at that. You can pay in Travala, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Doge. I know there's some Doge degens here. You might be depressed because your Doge went down. But you can spend it on Travala, guys. Polkadot. Hey, BUSD. Look at that, BCH. I don't know, do they have BUSD in ERC20? I don't know how. I'm not sure how, I'll ask them. Stellar Lumens, Chainlink. There's a lot of weird things here, you know, like Decentraland. You know, guys, this is like what? No, one token. Of course, you can use one token only. I don't know whether you can use multiple. I just want to use one. Mana, Zilliqa, Quantum, Phantom. So if we are in a bull run, right, and say that, Chen, you travel and you're a speculator, right? So before you travel, you buy. So what is a good speculative coin? Okay, Nano. You buy Nano, right, which is used for payments, very quick payments. You buy Nano, and then it goes up like double by the time you're ready to pay there. Like, ask them to pay after you want to check out. And then, you know what? Guess what? You get extra rooms there, okay? I think this is cool. Now, look at this. This is in Bali, Indonesia. Yeah, you can pay ETH for the hotel. Yeah, for the hotel. Say, Chen, you want to combine all? Guys, Chen want to combine all. I don't know. That's complex, but I think you can, but it's just more complicated, you know, because I think they have to freeze your thing. Now, look at that. Now, another beautiful island that you guys do not know, because Bali is so Bali is so touristy. Now, Bali is nice. I think I would also like to go to Lombok, less commercial. But another one is Palawan, you know. Palawan has beautiful Coron, which is good for diving. Yeah, you can go there, because I go diving in Coron. Hopefully I'm safe. I go diving in Coron in the Japanese battleships. Okay, they are in Coron. But there's also another place called El Nido. And guys, when you go to Coron, it is really, really beautiful. This is not like the Philippines, Manila, and all that. Sorry for all you Filipinos. This is even more beautiful than Boracay, and this is even more beautiful than Cebu. Seriously, guys, it's like entering into the land of the lost. You know, there's a lot of weird things. There's a lot of weird trees that I've not seen before, and I haven't seen those landscapes. And I'm very well traveled. Okay, so why it's say El Nido here? So why is this important? Because guess what? You can also go Travala here. Look at this, Travala. El Nido Suite. Where is this? I don't know where it is. Barangay. I know El Nido. Do they have something in Coron? Okay, cool. Now, the thing in Philippines is this. Very interesting. I just saw that thing on the exchange of the Philippines. Now, if I am in the Philippines, it is very easy to get around on a mobile wallet. It is very easy to use cryptos. That's why I'm excited. I want to go to Indonesia. I get my vaccination tomorrow. I get my second vaccination in 9 weeks. I could be off, I could be off after that. I'm definitely going somewhere after that. Initially Langkawi and then possibly to both Philippines and also Indonesia. Now, in the Philippines, you have Coins PH. This is a wallet. What this has is this, okay? What this has, it also has Ethereum. It also has PHP. It's like Luno, but it's easier to use than Luno. Oh my God. And you look at all this verification. You are now familiar, right? You're very familiar. This is like Luno, but it's more better than Luno. I will tell you why I love this. Okay, this is something that's kind of standard in the Philippines because we don't want to go open this. So let me just draw this. Let me draw this as yellow, and you see where this is going to. Okay, and they also have Ethereum, and they also have Bitcoin, and they also have PHP. Not only that, and I hope Grab wins our digital banking license, right? They have something called Gcash. That means we can send Gcash to each other. We can send Gcash to each other, and we can spend the Gcash. We can convert our ETH into Gcash and also go the other way. In fact, there are many places there you can just go and spend your digital currency. However, once you bring this out to the bank, once you bring this out to the bank, okay, you know what happens, right? The fees. The fees are very, very high. You will not be happy, okay? You're not going to be happy with the fees. They're kind of high, of course. They're banks, secret. This is secret. They are banks, okay? So, okay, that's kind of not good, right? Now, why I'm interested in this is Coins PH. Remember this, Coins PH. But there is another thing, and I have high hopes for Grab, okay? This is why I have high hopes for Grab. Is it here? Look at that, guys. Gojek. Are you guys familiar with Gojek? Are you Australians familiar with Gojek, or if you're from Hong Kong? I know if you're Malaysian, you're Singaporean, you're familiar with Gojek, right? Gojek doesn't have it in Malaysia. I'm still waiting when we can ride on their mopeds, right? I believe in Singapore, you can go on cars, right? There's even a Gojek on a car, right? Look, Gojek buys fintech startup Coins PH for 72 million ahead of Philippines expansion. Southeast Asia unicorn Gojek, and you know the CEO of Gojek resigned from the CEO-ship of Gojek and is now a minister in Indonesia. I have not seen this, but I would like to go to Indonesia because I am sure they are going to have another Coins PH in Indonesia, which will make it very easy to travel totally digital, okay? And I'll tell you why this is important. Totally digital and soon. Totally crypto. I can go totally crypto in the Philippines, okay? Guys, I do not need the merchant to be able to pay in Bitcoin because I can change my Ethereum to PH, to Filipino peso, or I can change it to Gcash easily. I do not need the merchant to receive Bitcoin and all that, okay? It's so easy, okay? So ride-hailing firm. So I would like to go to Indonesia to see the Indonesian version of this. This is very, very exciting. Now, why is this exciting? Why is this exciting? Now, let me tell you why this is exciting, where the money is. Because if you look at the YouTubers here, this is not your YouTuber from this, okay? This is not your YouTuber of a crypto. That's all you guys think about, right? You guys don't think about living in crypto now. Look, this is Los LeBlanc. You guys know Los LeBlanc, right? Los LeBlanc is going to Brent Conti or whatever. Yeah, he goes to the Philippines and all that. Now, here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. Yeah, masterpiece and all that. Now, here's the deal. Here's the deal. I'm going to tell you a secret now because I've seen the checks. I've seen their checks. Do you know that of course, my travel will be restricted to Southeast Asia because I've just learned that in Southeast Asia, if you can get US for US 2,500 a month, you can have a very good life travel. You can travel all your life. Look at this, guys. This is something that I call very hard to make money because you need the views. He has 2.2 million views. But if Henry makes this, Henry, do you make this? If Henry has 110 views, no good for Henry, right? Henry, this is not good for you. This is not good for you. This is what we call in Malaysia, shock sendiri. You smile to yourself. Shock sendiri, no good. Now, let me tell you where things change. Because I know Henry now wants to travel, right? If you do something like this, do you know that you get paid? Guys, you get paid money from the hotel. Now, imagine if you do something like this and you have a decent track record in Travala. You don't think Travala will give you Bitcoin? No, they won't give you Bitcoin. They'll give you AVA. And since AVA is low, imagine when that AVA goes up, you are going to have a lot of AVA to spend on your holiday. So that's cool for me because free accommodation to me is just as good as crypto. I don't have to trade. It's just as good as free crypto, right? It's just as good as IDO. If I want to stay somewhere, I don't have to. You understand that, right? If, you know, getting an IDO gain and spending it on a hotel, what's the difference here? See, I'm showing you the other side. What's the difference here if I get this and I don't need to trade? See, it's the same, right? It's kind of cool, right? So this is important that people do this. And do you know, I do know this now. I do know this now. Do you know that so I want to go to all these hotels. I want to make videos of these hotels. Not only that, I'll give it for free, obviously, in the first time. And then I will I'll put the video on YouTube. And then I will go put their comment on what? On TripAdvisor. And then I'll send an email to their manager. Hey, I did this for you guys. Once you have that record, you know what you're going to do? The next time you go, you write in. Trust me. You don't need a lot of supporters. You do not need a lot of supporters. You do not need a big Instagram group to get free hotels or your YouTube. In fact, my social media already has twice the number of people needed to get, because guys, let me tell you this. This is the age of micro influencers. And in the future, this is what I'm looking, okay? In the future, because of this micro influencers, if I position myself as crypto, I am going to be big in the future, okay? In fact, what I want to do when we go through a bear market, which is next year, I just want to go to travel and teach people how to build wallets. That's interesting. You know Nas, right? Nas Daily did what? 360 1,000 videos in 3 years. I'll probably do 1,000 wallets in 1 year. Okay, listen to that. 1,000 wallets in 1 year to help people of Southeast Asia create 1,000 wallets. Sorry, not Australia, Henry. It's so expensive. The hotels there are too expensive. Okay, the flights there are very expensive. Sorry for that. And do you know that not only will I do that, I will also go there and bring my drone, which I have to buy. I know. Hey guys, in Malaysia, where can I get this? Where do you know where I can get this? So that if something happens, I can send it back to the store or something. Or do you have to get this online? The Mavic Pro. The Mavic Pro. Do you know that I can even do a video, and if I can do a drone, Mavic Pro, DJI. I don't know where to get it, guys. I can charge them for that. I can charge for the drone shots, not initially. In Malaysia, oh, cool. Tell me where. I can charge them for that. I can even make money, guys. So I can travel with my crypto, convert it easily to cash, thanks to Gojek and Philippines and Coins PH. That covers Malaysia and that covers Indonesia and pretty much Philippines. Thailand, I don't know. I'll figure something out in Thailand. I don't know the language too. Malaysia. Yeah, I'm Malaysian. I have fiat. Okay, I have ringgit, no problem. I hope Malaysia changes also. I hope Luno really changes and becomes. I hope Grab brings all these things here. So, go in and offer it first, free. And then once it's in TripAdvisor and people see how good I'm doing, you know what? Oh, Paradigm Mall, thanks. You know what? I am just going to go ahead and live with crypto, because this is what we need to do, guys. To all you guys who are not convinced, let me tell you that crypto is here to stay. What are you going to do about it? Now, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to take a one-way ticket, and this is how I feel, and I want you to this, guys. It's time we take a one-way ticket in crypto, okay? Let me play you this video. I think this is good. This is from Los LeBlanc, my favorite travel blogger. Let's see.
Last minute, I have gained so much more. Booking a one-way ticket totally changes your mindset as a traveler. It opens you up to experience.
Let's go in the beginning.
For 6 years now, I have traveled the world and I've shared just about every single moment of it with you. But this week, I hit a wall. A moment where I started to question what the future of Los LeBlanc was. Being on the road since 2015 has taught me a lot, but the biggest travel tip I could ever share is to book your flight one way. For the dollars I may have lost in planning last minute, I have gained so much more. Booking a one-way ticket totally changes your mindset as a traveler. It opens you up to experiences, moments, and people that you meet along the way. It lets you do more of the things that you love and adapt when things are not going to plan. For too long now,
that's it, guys. This is about a one-way ticket into the crypto world. Thank you, Chet. I don't know, maybe I have to get a license, but until then, on Wednesday, we meet to see more crypto so I can travel and create 1,000 wallets in 1 year, okay? Until then, guys, hold the line, hold the line. I am possible. I am going to travel Southeast Asia using crypto with all the money in this wallet. Thanks very much, guys.